Hey guys, it's me Sabrina from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through how to change age on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's jump in. I'm on TikTok right now. Select the profile option which is at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're on the profile page, tap on the hamburger menu which is at the top right and then select Settings and Privacy option. Now select Account option. And then select the very first option, that is Account Information. As you can see, there is no option to change your age. Maybe TikTok doesn't want to change our age. And that's it. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.